Okay, thanks for joining this late coverage of how the market went. So straight away we're beginning with CEI stock. It closed the session of the 8th of March 2022 at $1.2, which was a loss of $3.13. And right now in this post-market session, he has gained 6.45. I doubt if there's any news out there concerning CEI. Okay, just general news that involves it. Okay, let's see what happened with the options. Top movers, no data. Okay, and we have some data here. Some of these strikes had huge gains in the previous session. So let's go back and review S&P 500 before we go into the stocks we were talking about. S&P 500 closed below 4212. Closed below 4212, which is a critical number, which is regarded as a pivotal by certain experts, and they believe that from here on it might continue to retrace, and it may continue to retrace. Because let's see what the futures are. What the futures? Okay, the futures is currently at 4152 at the moment. That's where the S&P futures is right now, 4152. There isn't any activity going on, I think, in Sydney, in Australia at the moment. In New Zealand and Australia, there's nothing going on there. But there are the markets that are open at the moment. So let's see what's going to happen. So let's see, SPY or XPS. This is the S&P futures. If it closes below, okay, the S&P 500, if it closes below 422, which it did, 4222, it's expected to fall further to 4159, which it has actually done. In this post-market session. It has actually fallen. Right now it is at 415. It is at 4170 at the moment. This is the S&P 500, and then it may also fall further to 3858 and 3743. Those are the various supports. So let's see whether we can see the S&P futures, S&P 500 on the chart here. So if we take out 4212 on the futures, easily we have done that, and 422 on the index itself, on the cash, then we are likely to retrace to 4159. So this is the 3-day chart. We are going to have to put up the 1-year chart and see where some of those supports lie. So you can see this is the index itself, the cash itself. It closed at 4163, which is below the 4222. The 4222 is somewhere here. 4222 somewhere around here. You can see that's where it is, somewhere around there. That's where that support is supposed to be. Yes, that's it there. 4223. That's the support. That's the low of this year so far. Before now, we have broken that. We're now in new lows for the year. So if it is believed that since we have fallen below that support, we expect it to be trading between this low and this high for at least 3 months, but we have not been able to. We have now expanded it now, and with this expansion we expect it to fall all the way to 4059, somewhere below, somewhere here, somewhere around here, somewhere around there. 4159 on this one. 4159, that's around where we are right now. 4159, somewhere around here. That's around the we are just slightly above that support. The next one will be 3959, somewhere here. 3959, somewhere there. And then after that we have 3843, somewhere here, 3843, somewhere here. And this we are talking about all the way back to 3843. We're talking all the way back to early last year. We're talking about all the way back to March of last year. That's the possibility of what we are dealing with right now. That's well, fingers crossed. We'll see how things pan out. So let's look at Kala stock, KALA stock, KALA Pharmaceuticals. Okay, it's gained 88.49%. What was the news? At some point it was halted. Okay, let's get the news. So the Kala Pharmaceuticals said Tuesday insurance provider United Healthcare has added a ESUVIS, ESUVIS 0.25% as a covered brand on its commercial formularies, and that Cigna Medicare has added ESUVIS as a preferred brand. ESUVIS, which became commercially available in January 2021, is approved for the short-term treatment of the signs and symptoms of dry eye disease. Okay, so I think that's amongst other things why the stock was on the move. Is it optionable? Let's see. Volume was 29.502 million shares. It's optionable, yes, but not exactly the sort of options that's very much common. So it's down 6.96 in this post-market session. Penny stock as well, yes. So the other one is the other stock. ENSV. ENSV is the next one. ENSV, I think we had an ambitious, okay, no, did we set a target? We said we had a coverage in the session. I can't remember what the target was. So right now it is on the move in the post market, has gained 15.95. It closed at $4.2, a gain of 68%. At some point in the session it was way more than that. So at some point it was above $8. I think our target was $9 and some fraction. Quite ambitious right now, but we'll keep it that way. So let's see. It was halted at some point. Let's see whether there's any particular news concerning the COP. Yeah, all of them rising on concerns concerning Russian fuel sanctions. I believe these stocks may not go away. Even if they don't go away, all the other ones, the market participants will dive into other ones. So let's see, is it optionable? No, it's not optionable. So 114.983 million shares across the tape, penny stock. Short sellers may have been involved, or may or may not have been involved in this. You can see this huge plunge downwards. I think, or maybe when it was halted or something like that. But the fact that it's still a penny stock means that there's a good chance it may rally again. But when it's going to do so, we don't exactly know. So next one is 9 9 Energy, closed at $5.66, a gain of 57.66, and has gained 3.89 in this post-market session. Okay, let's see what's going on. From 10K disclosure, earnings. Okay, I understand its earnings outcomes were very good. And 9 Energy Services Inc. reported a quarterly adjusted loss of 52 cents per share for the quarter ended in December. The loan analyst forecast for the quarter was a loss of 55%. Okay, revenue rose 69.6% to $105.009 million from a year ago. Analysts were expecting $95.80 million. 9 Energy Services Inc. reported earnings per share for the quarter was a loss of 52 cents. The mean earnings estimate of analysts had risen by about 1.8% in the last 3 months. In the last 30 days, there have been no earnings estimate revisions by analysts covering the company. 9 Energy Service Inc. shares have risen 80% this quarter. The company reported a quarterly loss of 15.75 million shares. Okay, I think it is. The outcomes were better than expected. Let's get the volumes. The volume was 81.228 million shares, and I think it is optionable. Yes, it is optionable. Yes. Top movers. Okay, the 18th of March 750 call gained 204.35%. The 18th of March $5 calls gained at 154.24%. The 18th of March 250 call gained 106.67. So some moves there, and still showing some strength in this post-market session. Okay, let's look at the WPRT. Westport Fuel System up 0.99 in this post-market and gained 52.63 in the regular session that ended. Okay, a couple of halts at various times, a couple of them, and let's see whether there's any. Okay, there's some news here. Let's see how it concerns WPRT. Okay. Okay, there isn't very much there concerning WPRT. Let's get a volume. 26.03 million is optionable as well. You can see this 18th of March $3 call gained 400%. 18th of March $2 call gained 740%. the 18th of March, $4 calls gained 500%. So it was a big day for the options on the Westport fuel system. So I think another one was VTNR. It hasn't gained a lot like one would have expected, so it's down 0.78 in this post-market session, but gained a 24.15. Let's get the news for Vertex Energy. There's some news there. It says Vertex Energy reported a quarterly adjusted loss of 15 cents per share for the quarter ended in December. The mean expectation of 3 analysts for the quarter was for earnings of 1 cent per share. Revenue fell 22.7% to $330.96 million from a year ago, and analysts expected $29.37 million. Vertex Energy Inc.'s reported earnings per share for the quarter was a loss of 15 cents. The mean earnings estimate of analysts had fallen by about 34.8% in the last 3 months. In the last 30 days, there have been no earnings estimate revisions by analysts covering the company. Vertex Energy Inc. shares had risen by 36.2% this quarter. The company reported a quarterly loss of $9.14 million. Okay, Wall Street's median 12-month price target for Vertex Energy is $15. The current average analyst rating on the shares is a buy, and the breakdown of recommendation is 4 strong buy and all buy, no hold, no sell, or no strong sell. This summary was machine generated. Okay, let's see what's going on with there are options here. Okay, yes, the S&P 500 closed below 4212 on the futures. Right now, let's get where the futures is right now. 4212. It's at 415 now. We're seeing some activity now from the traders in New Zealand and Australia. Okay, so, and it's expected because of that, because it closed below that key pivot of 4212, that it may fall below 4059 or even fall further to 3858 or 3743. And on the cash SPS, that's the S&P 500 cash, S&P 500, the regular charts, the main thing itself. It if it's closed below 4222, so it's expected to fall. It expected to probably fall to 4159 or even towards 3958 or even 3843. So that's what we're facing right now. And at the beginning of the year, we never knew that there was going to be a conflict in Ukraine that will add to the global systemic issues that are already at hand. Okay, so this is our coverage